Hello, this is Alan again, and I want to give you another update for the kitchen renovation project 2021. So let's start over here. I mean, what a difference like 12 hours make. I gave an update this morning before the workers came, and they came today and they did an outstanding job once again. So they painted this door. It looks like a brand new door now. Start to prep painting, painting the walls. So that should come tomorrow. The actual painting of the walls should come tomorrow. What they're going to do is put an outlet right here. And as you can see, they had to run the wires. And if you look up here, they ran the wires and ran it over there. And what we're going to have here tomorrow are three pendant lights, three hanging pendant lights. And also, this here will be the same configuration or the same design of the pendant light. So it's gonna look nice, but that won't come till tomorrow. So other things that has been taking place today, completion of the drywall right here, a lot of mudding, letting that dry so they can sand it and do the painting tomorrow. And get a load of this. Range hood, everything's in place. I'll give you a taste of it. But check that out, huh? Pretty neat. So a final cleaning is going to take place, obviously, but they're making major progress. This is the faucet's working, or at least it's in place. We'll actually have the water running again tomorrow. So just about completed with this part of the project. Look over there, that's a nice heavy duty garbage disposal. And it will go in tomorrow as well. So making major progress. So just to recap, add some paint, more painting over there too on the cabinets. So recap, we have painting done today on the doors and cabinets, wiring for the pendant lights, the hood range, or the range hoods was put in this evening, and mudding and spackling for the painting, and that should, a lot of painting and cleaning should take place tomorrow. At the very latest, should be completed with everything by Monday. So that's all I have for tonight. Have a blessed night. Take care. I'll talk to you again tomorrow night. God bless.